we go talking today is Sunday and it was rainy.
Rainy. Oh, it's rainy.
But my friends, miss you also come to play.
Here. Come.
The street was wet and my root was so dirty like a sack.
Okay. And here is a rainy day.
When we go to the market, it's also rain, so my feet are too wet.
Oh, red. Here. Red. Here. It's a rainy day. Okay.
Did you know rainy day what? It's called rainy day on Sunday. It's the last week.
Okay.
And how do we know the rain of the last week?
Say
It's really strange, like something.
something.
You know what? Rain is dirty. One seed of pouring rain can be many drops of letters. You can find out more important. It's really dirty with soil. When it's dropped on your hand, quickly return and take a shower.
Take a shower. Okay. Oh my God. It's a rainy.
Do you like rainy?
No.
Do you like sun?
Yes.
Why?
No, sun is hot. It's
Really hot.
Okay. Away a sunny Sunday.
Do you like rainy day?
No.
Do you know
Okay.
sources? Sources? I like sources.
Okay.
And the sun and the rain also best. When
Okay.
when the sun is so bright, mean hot, but when but wet. But but wet, the rain are too fast. It's so cold.
Okay. Oh.
And we all need to talk a little, then we say goodbye. Do you like sun or rain?
And
When it was rain, but when it was sun, we can see a rainbow.
sunny. Okay.
Okay. But now we need to say goodbye, you know.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye. Say bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Everyone.
Thank you for watching. Bye.